Time. Today, more than ever, time is money. Enhancing productivity and just-in-time manufacturing have become the major industrial goals for the 21st century. In the plastic and steel stamping industries, productivity improvements such as the reciprocating screw and mold chillers have been quickly implemented. Even with dramatic changes in machine productivity, injection molding machines remain idle for up to 40% of their usable working hours. The majority of this idle time is required to change molds. With today's focus on decreasing inventories, the plastic and steel manufacturer was faced with the decision of either increasing the machine productivity by producing large lot runs of the same part, or reducing inventory with frequent mold or die changes, sacrificing productivity. The trade-off between improving productivity and decreasing inventory has resulted in a major industrial problem. EAS Mold and Die Change Systems can solve your problem by dramatically reducing the time required for mold changeovers. Time after time, EAS has installed systems that have directly translated mold change hours into mold change minutes, similar to Formula One races. A key component in a winning race team is the speed of the pit crew. Reducing time during tire changes can mean the difference between first and second place. Time saving during mold or die change can mean the difference between profit and loss for you too. You can have the fastest team too. Stay competitive. Increase your flexibility. Run smaller batches. Just-in-time delivery, lean production and manufacturing. Maximize your investment. EAS Mold and Die Change Systems can help you achieve a time-saving win by showing you the benefits of utilizing mold and die change systems. EAS provides reduction of expensive non-productive mold change from hours to minutes. You can increase the utilization of your machines up to 15%. Reduction of labor cost up to 40% by applying semi-automatic or automatic mold and die change systems, especially with 3 shifts and during the weekend. Safer and cleaner working conditions. Increased flexibility, enabling you to run small batches and allowing faster reaction times to changing demands. Reduction in stock by up to 60%, freeing up capital for other investments. 15% reduction in downtime. 40% reduction in labor costs. 60% reduction in your stock. This is one of the top levels of sophistication that can be provided by EAS Mold and Die Change Systems for totally automated changeover. EAS provide custom quick mold and die change solutions to meet your manufacturing needs. Do you want to know what this system can mean for your business? EAS, a winning solution.